The Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning presented a couple of memos this afternoon to the Federal Executive Council for which approvals were obtained. The first one, which is the approval for the award of contract for the procurement of one number Cessna Caravan aircraft, AX208B by the Nigerian Customs. And this was in favor of Messrs. Worldwide Skypath Services Limited in conjunction with Africa Inc., the authorized distributor of Cessna aircraft in Africa. And it's in the sum of 3,447,442,710 naira, inclusive of 7.5% VAT. This is with a delivery period of 12 months. This aircraft is an addition to the current fleet in the customs service, and it is aimed towards combating smuggling and intelligence gathering for suppressing smuggling activities, and also to provide area surveillance and reconnaissance for the customs across our borders.